Hello students, next point is divided difference. Let x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2 and so on, xn, yn be given n plus 1 points. Let y0, y1, y2 and so on, yn be the values of the function corresponding to the values of argument x0, x1, x2 and so on, xn, which are not equally spaced. Since the difference of the function values with respect to the difference of the argument are called divided difference. So the first divided difference for the arguments x0, x1 is given by f of x0, x1. First divided difference f of x0 at x1 equal to x0, x1 in square bracket equal to y1 minus y0 upon x1 minus x0. Similarly, f of x1, x2 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and so on. The second divided difference for x0, x1, x2 is given by f of x0, x1, x2 equal to x1, x2 minus x0, x1 upon x2 minus x0. The third divided difference for x0, x1, x2, x3 is given by f of x0, x1, x2, x3 equal to x1, x2, x3 minus x0, x1, x2 upon x3 minus x0 and so on. The nth divided difference for x0, x1, x2 and so on xn is f of x0, x1, x2 and so on xn equal to x0, x1, x2 and so on xn equal to x1, x2 and so on xn minus x0, x2, x0, x1, x2 and so on xn minus 1 upon xn minus x0. Next, properties of divided difference. First, divided difference are symmetric with respect to the argument, that is independent of the order of arguments. x0, x1 equal to x1, x0 means first x0, x1 is y1 minus y0 upon x1 minus x0. Here x1, x0 means y0 minus y1 upon x0 minus x1, means these two are equal. Also x0, x1, x2 equal to x1, x2, x0 equal to x2, x0, x1. Second, the nth divided difference of a polynomial of nth degree are constants. Let f of x equal to a0 xn plus a1 into xn minus 1 plus and so on plus an minus 1 into x plus an by a polynomial of degree n, provided a0 is not equal to 0 and arguments be equally spaced, so that x1 minus x0 equal to x2 minus x1 equal to and so on equal to xn minus 1 equal to h. The first divided difference is x0, x1 equal to y1 minus y0 upon x1 minus x0. y1 minus y0 means delta y0 and difference between these two values is h. So first divided difference equal to delta y0 upon h. Similarly, second divided difference equal to delta square y0 upon 2 factorial h square and so on. Nth divided difference equal to delta raised to n y0 upon n factorial into h raised to n. Since function is of nth degree polynomial, delta raised to n y0 equal to constant. Therefore, nth divided difference will also be constant. Next, the nth divided difference can be expressed as the product of multiple integral. Next, the nth divided difference can be expressed as the quotient of two determinants of order n plus 1. Next, relation between divided difference and ordinary difference. Nth divided difference of f at x0 and so on xn equal to f of x0, x1, x2 and so on xn equal to delta raised to n f of x0 upon n factorial into h raised to n. This is the divided difference and this is the ordinary difference. So relation between divided difference and ordinary difference is nth divided difference equal to delta raised to n f of x naught upon n factorial into h raised to n. Next, Newton's divided difference formula. Let y0, y1, y2 and so on yn be the values of y equal to f of x corresponding to the arguments x0, x1, x2 and so on xn. Then from the definition of divided difference we have x0 equal to y minus y0 upon x minus x0, because in the properties we have seen that divided difference are symmetric, means x0 equal to x0 x. So here we take y minus y0 upon x minus x0. So that y equal to, after solving this we get y minus y0 equal to x minus x0 into x x0, which implies y equal to y0 plus x minus x0 first divided difference. So that y equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into in square bracket x x0. Give as equation number 1. Again third divided difference equal to x x0 minus x0 x1 upon x minus x1, which implies x x0 equal to x0 x1 plus x minus x1 into x x0 x1. Give as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get, that means put x equal to x0 equal to this in equation number 1, we get y equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into x0 x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into in square bracket x x0 x1. Also x x0 x1 x2 equal to x x0 x1 minus x0 x1 x2 upon x minus x2, which implies third divided difference equal to x0 x1 x2 plus x minus x2 into x x0 x1 x2. Give as equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4 we get y equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into x0 x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into in square bracket x0 x1 x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into in square bracket x x0 x1 x2. Continuing in this manner we get Newton's general interpolation formula with divided differences. Y equal to f of x equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into in square bracket x0 x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into square bracket x0 x1 x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into in square bracket x0 x1 x2 x3 plus and so on plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 and so on x minus xn minus 1 into in square bracket x0 x1 x2 and so on xn. Newton's divided difference formula can also be written as y equal to f of x equal to y0 plus x minus x0 first divided difference at x0 x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 second divided difference for x0 x1 x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 third divided difference for x0 x1 x2 x3 plus and so on plus x minus x0 x minus x1 up to x minus xn minus 1 into nth divided difference for x0 x1 x2 and so on xn. This is the Newton's divided difference formula. Now example, find f of AB and f of ABC for f of x equal to x square and f of x equal to 1 upon x, means first divided difference and second divided difference. First f of x equal to x square, f of AB is f of b minus f of a upon b minus a, because f of x naught x1 is y1 minus y naught upon x1 minus x naught. y1 means f of x1, y naught means f of x naught. Here f of x equal to x square. So f of b is b square minus f of a is a square upon b minus a. B square minus a square is b plus a into b minus a upon b minus a. B minus a get cancel. We get b plus a for f of ab. Now next calculate f of abc, which is equal to f of bc minus f of ab upon c minus a. Here f of ab equal to b plus a. Now to find f of bc equal to f of c minus f of b upon c minus b equal to f of c is c square minus f of b is b square upon c minus b equal to c square minus b square is c plus b into c minus b upon c minus b. C minus b cancel. We get f of bc equal to c plus b. So you as equation number 1. Equation 1 becomes f of abc equal to f of bc is c plus b minus f of ab is b plus a upon c minus a. b get cancel, b minus b equal to c minus a upon c minus a equal to 1. So f of abc equal to 1. Now to find f of ab and f of abc for f of x equal to 1 upon x. Second, f of x equal to 1 upon x. F of ab is f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Here f of x is 1 upon x, so f of b is 1 upon b minus f of a is 1 upon a upon b minus a equal to, by cross multiplication we get a minus b upon a into b upon b minus a, which is equal to a minus b upon a into b, b minus a. A minus b can also be written as minus of b minus a upon ab, b minus a. b minus a get cancel equal to minus 1 upon ab. Similarly, f of bc equal to minus 1 upon bc. Now to find f of abc equal to f of bc minus f of ab upon c minus a equal to f of bc is minus 1 upon bc minus of f of ab is minus 1 upon ab upon c minus a equal to minus 1 upon bc plus 1 upon ab upon c minus a equal to minus ab plus bc upon ab square c minus a equal to, take b common, we get, or minus b common, a minus c upon ab square c minus a, which implies b minus c minus a means minus minus plus c minus a upon ab square c minus a, c minus a get cancel, b get cancel equal to 1 upon abc. So f of abc equal to 1 upon abc. Next example, using Newton's divided difference formula, calculate the value of f of 6 from the following data. Here x equal to 1, 2, 7, 8 and y equal to 1, 5, 5, 4. First, construct the divided difference table. The divided difference table is, first write values of x, y, 1, 2, 7, 8, y is 1, 5, 4. Now, divided difference are, first divided difference is 5 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 equal to 4 upon 1 means 4. Next, 5 minus 5 upon 7 minus 2 equal to 0 upon 5 equal to 0. Next, 4 minus 5 upon 8 minus 7. 4 minus 5 upon 8 minus 7 equal to minus 1 upon 8 minus 7 is 1 means minus 1. Next, 0 minus 4 upon 7 minus 1 equal to minus 4 upon 6 which is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Next, minus 1 minus 0 upon 8 minus 2 equal to minus 1 upon 6. Next, minus 1 upon 6 minus of minus 2 upon 3 upon 8 minus 1 equal to minus 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 equal to 7 which is equal to 3, 6 into 7, 1 upon 14. This is the third divided difference. Now, by Newton's divided difference formula, f of x equal to y naught plus x minus x naught, first divided difference for x naught x1, plus x minus x naught x minus x1, second divided difference for x naught x1 x2, plus x minus x naught x minus x1 into x minus x2, third divided difference for x naught x1 x2 x3. Y naught is 1, this is nothing but the x naught x1 x2 x3, so y naught y1 y2 y3. Y naught is 1 plus x minus 1, first divided difference for x naught x1 is 4, plus x minus 1 x minus 2, second divided difference for x naught x1 x2 is minus 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, plus x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 7, third divided difference for x naught x1 x2 x3 is 1 upon 14, 1 upon 14. This is nothing but the f of x. Now to find f of 6, replace x by 6 in this equation. We get f of 6 equal to 1 plus 6 minus 1 4 plus 6 minus 1 6 minus 2 minus 2 upon 3 plus 6 minus 1 6 minus 2 6 minus 7 1 upon 14 equal to 1 plus 5 into 4 plus 5 into 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 into 4 into 3, 6 minus 7 is minus 1 into 1 upon 14 equal to 6.2381. After calculating this, we get 6.2381. F of 6 is 6.2381. Here we stop. Here second chapter is completed.